Start by assigning clear roles and a timeline for the day so everyone knows what to do and when to do it. Create a detailed schedule that breaks the day into specific blocks like arrival and setup, loading the truck, travel and staggered unloading, furniture placement, and final cleanup. Assign one person to supervise loading priorities, so heavy items go in first and fragile boxes right on top. And another person specifically for furniture placement to direct where each large piece should go at the new address. Designate a backup money and tips manager who holds cash, handles payments and gratuities, and records receipts so nothing gets lost during the bustle. Build short, planned breaks every 2 hours, and name a cleanup crew responsible for empty boxes and debris after each major phase to keep walkways clear and reduce trip hazards. Hold a brief team meeting before you begin to run through the plan and confirm who has keys, phone numbers, and the map of the new place so small issues do not create big delays. Use simple checklists on paper or phone and call out each task as it is completed so the timeline stays visible and adjustable as the day unfolds. Common problems are people doing the same job twice or not at all, which slows everything down. So clarify and write down responsibilities and review them at the start to prevent overlap or gaps. Another frequent issue is lost cash or unaccounted tips, which creates conflict. So place funds with the designated money manager and use a simple ledger to log every transaction. Fatigue and missed meal or hydration breaks reduce efficiency and increase injury risk. So schedule short breaks, set a water and snack station, and rotate heavy tasks so no one works nonstop. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community discussion area where we share real move day tips and timelines. We help contractors find jobs, while homeowners compare experiences and ask specific questions about assigning roles and timing for a smooth move.